Okay, we're here at 13348 Speaker. We're going to go inside and check it out. But this is the yard. It's a 1 acre parcel and it is square. So there's a lot of privacy here. There's a 2-car attached garage. You can see neighbors are not close. We're going to go around and look at the road. Just wide open farmland across the street. It's a nice place. Nice. Okay, so we're going to walk around back and check that out. Nice mature trees here. I said the neighbors are not close. There's farmland behind as well. You know, for just being an acre, you're getting the privacy of having, 3-5 acres here. Here's the backyard. Nice mature trees. You could put a beautiful deck back here. Playground area. All kinds of great possibilities here. Okay, so we're here in the back of the house. See if I can show you the roof. The roof's in real good shape. A lot of equity here. It's good square footage. The house does need to be painted. There's some yard work needs to be done. Maintenance, some flooring, some paint. You could really make this place sparkle. Okay, here we are. This is the west side of the house. This is where that big bedroom is inside. So you can see there's just privacy here. There is natural gas at the road. It's not hooked up, but that is something that can be done that would increase the value of this place. There was a garden here at one time. Just beautiful property. So that's 13348 Speaker. If you'd like to take a look at it in person, you can call me 810-488-1524, and my name's Monica. Or if you have a realtor already, just ask them to set up a showing. We'll get it confirmed almost immediately, and you can see it right away. Thanks for viewing this video.